Good afternoon, morning, or evening. I am the Mainly Digger. And this video, I'm metal detecting. Not only am I metal detecting, but I show you, the viewers, a part of the Messolanskee Stream Trail in Waterville, Oakland. Debatable. You'll see why. And it's a gorgeous spot. It's just a gorgeous trail. It has an interesting feature. The stream and the trail go along side by side. A part of the stream, a good leg of the stream, is in a tube, kind of an aqueduct. You'll hear me say it a couple of times, and I'll probably throw in a video because it makes more sense. You can see it visually. So I do some metal detecting on that side, or along the Messolanskee Stream Trail, and then it's Memorial Day, so this last weekend, I went detecting in a park. Just a quick little hunt, both of them really quick. Good times, quick times. But the best part is the story. I love metal detecting. I love finding relics and stuff like that, but I love the stories that come afterwards. So when I was on the Messolanskee Stream Trail, I was metal detecting, and there's a part that it's still a trail, but it's not groomed. It's kept, but it's not groomed. It's kind of on the ledge, and I figured I'd go venture off to that part of see that part of the trail that's not groomed, that's not, well, I find some scrap metal and a rock, you'll see. A huge rock too, so there we go, that's cool. I cannot wait to get back out, cannot wait. I can't wait to do longer hunts. I will say this, my one complaint about this time is the weather's too good. Everybody wants to get out at those boat docks, wants to find, especially like the boat docks, because I want to get out in the water, and it's really the only place I have access. And I don't want to take up space with the fishermen because they're actually going out and fishing and stuff like that. And I don't have a boat, it's just me diving. But that's my one complaint about this. It's too nice, it's too nice. Everyone wants to get out, mainly dig out. So past couple of weekends, I went on the Messolanskee Stream Trail. I went on it once. This past 2 weekends, I've been on it multiple times. I maybe have made a couple of videos on it. It's just a cool trail that is in Maine. Here's some details. I'll show a map. But the details are is 2.6 miles one way. Difficulty, it says moderate. I wouldn't say it's different. It's very easy. The trails are most of the trails are extremely well groomed and taken care of. It also says that it's in Oakland, Maine. It's debatable. Waterville, Oakland, like right on the border. I'm not letting Oakland have that one. Surface, dirt, forest floor, rock ledge. I haven't seen any rock ledge on the trail, but it's probably there. Grass, boardwalk, bog, bridging. So that's the wood crossings, wood bridges and stuff like that. So it's taken care of. Pets are permitted. There's no fees. It's free. It's an easy walk, hike, run, enjoyable. It's very quiet. You'll see people on the trail, but you won't see a lot of people on the trail. Metal detecting wise, you can go metal detecting, but you want to stay out of people's way. and definitely cover your holes. Cover your holes more than you have to, because it's people walk on that trail and dirt bike and stuff like that. So it's just courteous. From another website describing the trail, just so I can give you multiple different views or opinions of the trail. Length, it says the length in this is 3.2 miles. Elevation gain, which in the other one I didn't say, the elevation gain is 275 feet. And just some back history, not really any history really, but it was built in 2006, or started in 2006, by the Maine Conservation Corps. And it's cool because you get to see a lot of Maine's history. Which is 2 mills, a couple of mills actually, or mill spots. There's a lot of history there, and there's always history on streams, but this history is conducive and connects directly to that stream. And it's just a cool sight because you get to see how waterworks, the modern day waterworks, affects nature and the area around it. Because there's an interesting part of the stream that it's in a tube, pretty much. That's the best, but I don't know what the technical term is, but it's in a tube. Maybe an aqueduct, I don't know, but it's in a tube. But there's a stretch where it's in a tube and it takes it from one spot to another. I mean, it has a little side stream on the side, but it's a tube. And I keep saying that because I'm trying to think of a better term for it, but it's just interesting. So I'm on the one of the Messolanskee river trails, and it's kind of cool. And I'll show in the pictures. I don't know, it's a water system, I don't know if it's an aqueduct system, but it's cool. I'll show you the photos. But the first find of the day is, it took me a minute to figure out what it was. Lead, but it's a bullet. It's a flattened bullet. You can kind of see right there, that'd be the back of the butt of the bullet. And probably just like a 22 or something, but it's smashed. So that was kind of cool. So just found some scrap metal, but what I really want to show you is this rock. A huge rock too. So there we go. That's cool. Nothing great, just a piece of scrap metal. Clean it up, see if it is anything important or not. Probably not. Looks, I don't know. Anyway, this is what I was talking about earlier. Aqueduct, I guess, or like waterways. But there's a stream right here, and this controls the flow of water into the Messolanskee Lake, which starts here. It's interesting and it's cool, because I've been in the Messolanskee Lake multiple times, metal detecting or scuba diving or just boating or whatever. I've never been at where it began or where it starts, so that's cool. Oh, someone was hunting or just shooting, I don't know. Anyway, that's cool. It's not old at all, but I always like finding spent brass, some type of pin or wire. I haven't really made it that far. It's gorgeous. It's nice out. It's a good day. First find of the day is a penny. Zinc. nothing big. A park in Winslow, Maine. There used to be a building, I don't know if it was a school, but there's a building in that area. You can see it on Google Earth, or like the maps, so any satellites, there's an outline. Some type of nail or screw, I don't know. Different area. Oh, another penny. Gorgeous spot, great day. Most likely a piece of pen, I don't know.